Hello everyone. So I picked up these beautiful looking wheat pennies online. Actually, I got them from Coins TV, uncirculated, and various dates. So we're gonna go through these over the next couple days and see what we find. So nothing of significance in that first batch. We're gonna continue on and go through this tube. We'll see what we get. So on this 1954S, looks like we have a small die chip on the reverse. I'll show it to you. So here's the reverse. The left side on the wheat stock, there's a small die chip. You know, it's a small error, probably not worth very much, but yeah, let's see what else we can find. Alright, so I came across another die chip on this 1954S. You can see it on the 4, on the little bend there on the right side. And also, there's one on the reverse. Yeah, on the reverse you have another one. On the wheat stock there, it's plain as day right there. So those two die chips probably add a couple dollars in value to this penny. So let's see what else we can find here. So yeah, out of those two piles we ended up with two 1954S's, both with die chips. Not really significant, but it will add some money and value to the coins. So, but yeah, not too bad. It's also really nice to have these. So pretty for any collector, you know, Coins TV has these every once in a while. So you just gotta be on the lookout. All right, we'll see you next time.